What's the meaning of choir? Choir. Choir.
Choir. Choir. A choir is a group of singers who perform together, often singing religious or classical music. The members of a choir typically sing a range of different parts, including sopranos, altos, tenors, and basses. Choirs can vary in size from small ensembles to large groups with several hundred members. They can perform in a variety of settings, such as churches, concert halls, and recording studios. Singing in a choir can be a rewarding experience, providing opportunities for personal growth, social connections, and artistic expression.